Unlock the secret to closing deals faster and streamlining your business with Pandadoc, your all-in-one document powerhouse. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the essential features of Pandadoc, from creating your first document to getting it signed and tracked with ease. First, let's dive into creating documents. Pandadoc offers a vast library of templates, or you can upload your own. Simply choose a template and start customizing. You can effortlessly add essential elements like fillable fields, secure signature areas, and even product catalogs with pricing. This ensures every detail is captured accurately. Once your document is ready, sending it is a breeze. Just enter the recipient's email address, and Pandadoc handles the rest, including adding a personal message. Your clients and partners will experience a seamless signing process. They can review, fill out, and sign your documents on any device, making collaboration frictionless. But Pandadoc doesn't stop at sending. Our powerful tracking feature keeps you informed every step of the way. See when your document is viewed, edited, and signed, all in real time. Need a nudge? You can send automated or manual reminders directly from the platform, ensuring no deal falls through the cracks. With secure e-signatures, you can be confident that all legally binding agreements are authenticated and compliant. By mastering Pandadoc's core features, you'll significantly boost your team's productivity, optimize your business workflows, and most importantly, close more deals faster than ever before. Start transforming your document management and e-signature processes today. Document management #e-signature.